Hello everyone, this is my first video ever to explain something in English, and so sorry for my bad English in the beginning. Anyway, I have a bigger project with a lot of codes and I start losing where is my files, so I've created a tool for pin the folders that I'm mostly working with, so I will just show you guys. Let's go to this to folder tabs that will help me to manage my folders. Let's say it's empty. Okay, I'll start fresh. Let's say I work a lot with the prefabs, so I just pin it, and I work a lot with the effects, maybe pin it, and indeed I am working a lot with the scripts. So I will pin it also in the scripts. Maybe I'll choose the AI also, pin it. Now I have pinned like 4 folders. Also I can drag and drop the folders that I work with. Now I can choose the icons for each folder, the color as I need, anything you can change. And then save and apply, and you can see here's the updating. Yeah, the folders are updated here. For prefabs, maybe let's choose this. Getting some errors. This is because the game is already playing. Okay, I change it. And now I have all the pinned folder that I am working with, so that will help me to make the navigation to the folders that I will work with them a lot, all in tabs. Thanks for watching.